AI should make your lawyer better. Most of the conversation about AI in law focuses on the tools, but that's not what matters to our clients. What matters is whether your lawyer is more precise, more efficient, and more strategic. At Dunlap Law, AI improves your experience in 3 ways. We use enterprise-grade AI tools to accelerate research and drafting. That means routine components of a contract, a formation document, or a trademark filing move faster. But every piece of work is reviewed by a licensed attorney. The speed comes from reducing mechanical effort, not from outsourcing legal judgment. Attorneys always own judgment. When we bill hourly, increased efficiency directly reduces your cost. You pay only for the time we worked. In flat fee or subscription engagements, improved efficiency strengthens value. We design clearly defined scopes of work and structured deliverables. Internally, we measure profitability to ensure that pricing remains sustainable and aligned with the value we provide. That alignment protects you. Because technology handles repetitive tasks more efficiently, our attorneys spend more time on risk assessment, negotiation strategy, and business judgment. That's where the real value of legal counsel lives. We also built systems that improve transparency. We track performance. We measure matters. We monitor our workflows. That discipline reduces the likelihood of dropped details, stalled projects, or surprises in billing. And confidentiality, as always, remains foundational. We use secure, enterprise-grade platforms designed for professional environments. We limit where data flows and maintain governance policies that ensure AI operates within our ethical obligations. The goal is not novelty. The goal is to deliver legal services that are faster where appropriate, more precise where it matters, and always grounded in our professional responsibility as your counsel. Artificial intelligence, when properly governed, strengthens your legal team. It allows us to focus on protecting your business, helping you grow, and preventing problems before they become threats. That's what an AI native firm means for you, and that's how we do it at Dunlap Law.